One morning, you're cruising down the highway, enjoying your drive. The engine is running smoothly, the air conditioning is keeping you cool, and then, without any warning, it happens. The temperature gauge spikes, and within seconds, steam starts pouring out from under the hood. Your engine's overheating, and if you don't act fast, your car could be done for good. Cooling system failures aren't just inconvenient, they can destroy your engine in a heartbeat. But the scariest part? These failures often happen with zero warning. Let's take a deep dive into the cooling system problems that can kill your engine before you even know it's happening. The silent killer, leaky radiator. It might seem like a small issue, but a leaky radiator can silently destroy your engine without so much as a squeak. A tiny crack or leak in the radiator can lead to coolant loss, which reduces the system's ability to keep the engine cool. Over time, this puts tremendous strain on your engine. The worst part? You may not notice the leak until it's too late. Coolant can slowly evaporate, and without a proper inspection, it can go unnoticed for days, even weeks. By the time the temperature gauge finally spikes, the damage to your engine could already be irreversible. And to make matters worse, leaks in the radiator often happen in hard-to-reach spots, so even mechanics can miss them during routine checks. Don't ignore a drop in coolant levels. That seemingly harmless leak might just be the start of a very expensive problem. And here's where things get tricky, because if you think leaks are bad, wait until you hear about the next sneaky culprit, the water pump. The water pump, the heart of your cooling system. Imagine trying to run a marathon without water. That's what your engine does when the water pump fails. This little component is responsible for circulating coolant throughout the engine and radiator, maintaining the right temperature. When it breaks down, your engine quickly overheats. Most people don't even know their water pump is on the brink until the damage is done. A worn-out or failing water pump can cause coolant to stop circulating, leading to a rapid increase in engine temperature. This can result in catastrophic engine failure. What's worse is that water pump problems don't always come with visible signs. You might not notice anything wrong until your engine is already starting to fry itself. If you hear whining or grinding noises coming from the front of your engine, it's time to get that water pump checked, because once it fails, your engine is in serious danger. But water pumps aren't the only things hiding in plain sight. The next major issue often goes unnoticed: a failed thermostat. Thermostat, not just a temperature gauge. You probably think your thermostat just tells you how hot or cold it is under the hood, but that's only part of the story. This crucial component actually regulates the flow of coolant through your engine, making sure it stays at the optimal temperature. When it fails, however, the thermostat can get stuck in one of two positions, either fully open or fully closed. If it's stuck closed, your engine won't get the coolant it needs, causing it to overheat quickly. If it's stuck open, your engine might not reach its proper operating temperature, leading to poor performance and increased fuel consumption. And here's the kicker: a faulty thermostat can be nearly impossible to diagnose without pulling it out and testing it, which means it could be failing for weeks before you even know it. And by the time it does, your engine could be beyond saving. And now, imagine dealing with an issue like this on a scorching summer day. It gets worse though, because there's another culprit that thrives in the heat: the radiator fan. The radiator fan is like the unsung hero of your engine's cooling system. Its job is simple but crucial. When the temperature inside the engine rises too high, the fan kicks on to cool things down. But when the radiator fan stops working, your engine doesn't get the cooling it needs, and overheating becomes inevitable. What's especially dangerous about fan failures is that they can be hard to detect until it's too late. You won't always hear the fan spinning, and by the time your engine starts to overheat, the damage is already underway. If your car's AC system isn't blowing cool air, or if you're hearing strange noises from the front end, the fan could be the problem. This is one area you don't want to leave unchecked, because without the radiator fan, your engine will cook itself faster than you can say engine failure. But the radiator fan isn't alone in its ability to sneak up on you. There's another system that could be quietly sabotaging your engine without you even knowing it: your coolant reservoir. The coolant reservoir, the silent drain. When it comes to maintaining the proper coolant level in your engine, the coolant reservoir is your first line of defense. But if it's cracked, leaking, or broken, it won't be able to store enough coolant for the engine's needs. Coolant loss might not seem like a big deal until you're stuck on the side of the road with a steaming engine and a dead car. What's especially dangerous about a failed coolant reservoir is that it often doesn't show any immediate signs of failure. You might not even know your coolant level is dangerously low until your engine is already overheating. The coolant reservoir is often located in a hidden spot under the hood, so unless you're regularly checking it, you could miss a subtle crack or leak that's draining your coolant. If you notice your coolant levels dropping faster than usual, or if the reservoir itself looks worn out, get it checked immediately before it's too late. And all these parts, water pump, thermostat, radiator fan, and reservoir, work together. But there's one hidden part of the system that might just be the most dangerous of them all: the head gasket. The head gasket is every car owner's nightmare. It's one of those catastrophic failures that can kill your engine in an instant. The head gasket's job is to seal the engine block and cylinder head, preventing coolant and oil from mixing together. When this gasket fails, coolant can seep into the engine, causing it to overheat and potentially seize up. Head gaskets don't fail quietly. If you have a blown gasket, you'll likely see coolant in your oil or oil in your coolant. You might also notice white smoke coming out of the exhaust, a sign that coolant is burning off. A head gasket failure can happen suddenly, often after the engine has been overheating due to one of the problems we've discussed, and once it goes, it's game over. Replacing a head gasket can cost thousands of dollars, and in some cases, the engine may be beyond repair. Cooling system problems can be sneaky, and they're often overlooked until it's too late. The issues we've covered today, whether it's a leaky radiator, a failing water pump, or a busted thermostat, can all lead to catastrophic engine failure if left unchecked. The worst part? Many of these problems can go unnoticed until the damage is already done. So how do you avoid becoming a victim of engine failure? Regular maintenance is key. Check your coolant levels, inspect your radiator and hoses, and pay attention to any unusual noises or changes in your engine's temperature. Your car's cooling system is your engine's lifeline, and if it fails, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Stay on top of these issues, and you'll be able to drive with peace of mind, knowing your engine is in safe hands.